So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in run, click on it, and then once you're on this, you're going to type in msdt.exe space -id space power diagnostic, click on enter, and now this will come up. You now want to click on next, wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager, click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to expand batteries. Now you want to find your battery, you want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. For the third method, you want to follow this list that I created right here. So first you want to unplug your charger, then you want to turn off your laptop, then you want to open the back side of the machine and remove the battery. While keeping the battery away from the machine, press and hold down the device's power button for at least 30 seconds to completely discharge the capacitors. Now you want to put the battery back into the slot where it goes. Then you want to turn on the device and plug in the charger. This should now fix your problem.